You've learned which AI side hustles actually work. You've built a simple portfolio. Now comes the part that scares most beginners, finding your first client. The good news? Your first client isn't looking for perfection. They're looking for someone who can solve a problem. And today, I'll show you exactly how beginners land paying AI clients, even without years of experience. By the end of this video, you'll know where to find clients, what to say, and how to close your first deal. Most beginners think clients buy skills. They don't. Clients buy outcomes. More customers, more sales, more time, less stress. If you can help someone achieve one of those outcomes, you're already valuable. Stop introducing yourself as an AI expert. Start introducing yourself as a problem solver. That simple mindset shift changes everything. Businesses don't wake up looking for ChatGPT, they wake up looking for more customers. Your first client is probably closer than you think. Local businesses, restaurants, gyms, barbershops, retail stores. Most of them have outdated websites, inactive social media, or no content strategy at all. Those are opportunities hiding in plain sight. Then expand to freelance platforms, LinkedIn, Facebook business groups, and online communities. Here's a secret. Trust matters more than talent. Instead of saying, "I can help you," show them. Create one sample specifically for their business. A redesigned Instagram post, a better email, a short promotional video. When they see results before paying, you're no longer a stranger. You're already providing value. Don't send long messages. Keep it simple. Start with a compliment. Mention something specific about their business. Then point out one opportunity. Offer a free sample or quick idea. Finish with an easy question. Would you like me to show you what I mean? Simple. Professional. Low pressure. Everyone starts somewhere. Instead of apologizing for being new, focus on your preparation. Show your sample work. Explain your process. Demonstrate that you understand their business. Confidence comes from preparation, not years of experience. Remember, every expert once had 0 clients. When someone shows interest, don't overwhelm them. Offer one simple package. For example, 10 social media posts, 1 promotional video, or a month's worth of email content. Give them a clear price, a clear timeline, and exactly what they'll receive. Clarity builds confidence. Getting hired is only half the job. Keeping clients is where real income begins. Communicate clearly. Meet deadlines. Respond quickly. Use AI to improve speed, not to reduce quality. Every satisfied client becomes a future referral. That's how one client becomes 5. After completing your first project, ask for feedback. A short testimonial builds credibility faster than any resume. Share your results. Before and after examples, screenshots, success stories. Each project becomes marketing for the next one. Momentum is one of the most valuable assets in freelancing. Landing your first client isn't about luck. It's about consistently creating opportunities. Reach out to 5 businesses today. Tomorrow, reach out to 5 more. Most people quit after hearing no. Successful freelancers know that every no brings them closer to a yes. The hardest client to get is your first. After that, everything becomes easier. Now that you've learned how to land your first AI client, the next challenge is earning consistent monthly income instead of constantly searching for new work. In the next episode, I'll show you how to turn one-time AI clients into recurring monthly revenue, so you can build a predictable income instead of starting from 0 every month. If you're serious about creating financial freedom with AI, subscribe to Skill Yield Lab. Every week, we break down practical strategies to help you build valuable skills, grow your income, and create long-term wealth in the AI economy. Like if you're ready to get your first AI client. Comment, "My first client is next." Subscribe for weekly AI business strategies. Next episode, how to turn one AI client into $1,000 a month in recurring income.